back to my channel. So getting right into these passion twists, I'm starting off with my hair pre-parted, rubber bands in, and I'm using this brand. I used 1 pack of this and a little bit of this free Tress blonde hair. So I took 3 strands and I cut them in half, and I kind of spread them apart, fluffed out the hair a little bit, and then we're going to crochet that hair into the rubber band. After I got the hair crocheted in, I'm using this edge booster gel to slick my hair down to match the texture of the crochet hair, and then I'm just going to start twisting. And here I'm adding a rubber band at the end of the twist where I want it to end, and then I'm just gonna cut it. And here I'm doing the same thing. I'm just adding a little bit of blonde in there. I mixed 2 strands of the blonde hair with 1 strand of the black hair, and I'm gonna crochet that in and twist it just to add a little color. So this is the finished product. It's real cute, real cute. I'm gonna add some gold clips to some of the ends, not all of them, and then I'm gonna style it. And that was the style. It was a really quick style. It took me about 3 hours to do. Super quick. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.